Good afternoon. Today I am going to teach you how to make corn cake, or how they are mostly known as the famous arepas. The first thing we must do is look for the materials, which are flour, bread, salt, a glass of water, a deep plate, butter, cheese, and freezing pan. The first step is to grab a kitchen board and chop the cheese. It does not matter if the cheese is not in such small pieces. Second step is to pour the water into the deep plate. We must bear in mind that a lot of water should not be poured, because if a large amount of water is poured, the dough is very watery and the arepa would not come out and the cheese is made. And if you want, a little salt. Fourth step, we add a tablespoon of butter. Fifth step. In this step, we must stir the flour with the mixture without stopping. Stirring until it has a more solid and less liquid consistency. We must not forget that if the instruction not to stop mixing while we add the flour are not followed, it could not have a good consistency. Step 6. When we see that we already have a good consistency with the mixture, we make balls and put in on top of the table and put a bag underneath so that it does not stick to the table. Then we proceed to crush the dough. Also, if you want, you can with a plate to give the arepa more shape. Finally, we remove the excess so that the arepa can be seen very round, and it is put in the pan over low heat. And repeat step 6. We make balls and put it on top of tables and put a bag underneath. And with a plate to give the arepa more shape. Let's not forget remove the excess the arepa so that arepa looks pretty, and put the arepa in the pan. Seventh step, we wait about 10 minutes. Over low heat, we must bear in mind that if we put a lot of heat, the arepa can burn very quickly and in a bad way, and we must not forget to turn the arepa so that it can be roasted in a good way both faces. Eighth and last step, remove the arepa from the pan. You must be careful when remove the arepas because you can burn with the pan. And that's it. In that easy and simple way, you will have your arepas. I hope you have been able to serve the information, and thank you very much for your attention.